with a height of 200 feet, 60 meters, and a width of 82, 25 meters, Skogafoss is one of Iceland's greatest and most beautiful waterfalls. On a sunny day, you can always witness at least one rainbow because of the cascade's large amount of spray. Observe the size of the fall from the misty base of the falls, or take on the task of ascending what seems like an endless number of stairs. There are 370 to the summit. You can stroll right up to the water's edge and get lost in the spray's dense mist from the base of the falls. Stand beneath the double rainbows and take pictures from different angles. A specially constructed observation platform at the top offers a breathtaking view over the fall and in the direction of the coastal cliffs and Atlantic Ocean. Skogafoss is exceptional because Eyjafjallajökull and Mýrdalsjökull, two glaciers, are where the waterfall originates. One of Iceland's biggest waterfalls, Skogafoss sits close to the tiny settlement of Skogar. Visitors from all over the world are enthralled by this magnificent torrent, which cascades an impressive 60 meters, 197 feet, to the ground. The top of the waterfall may be reached through a narrow staircase, where you can observe the thundering spectacle and seabird nests below. The enormous gusher produces double rainbows on sunny days, which is a real treat for photographers. Behind Skogafoss waterfall, it is rumored, is a treasure chest. But how did this priceless object get here? The chest was allegedly hidden behind the falls in the 10th century by Rossi or Alfsson, the first Viking to settle in the region. The tale claims that the treasure was eventually discovered by a local boy. Only a ring on the side of the chest, though, was within his grip before it vanished once more. Until the church was deconsecrated in 1890, the recovered ring was hung on the door of the nearby church. The Skoga River, also called the River of Skogafoss, is where Skogafoss is located. The river flows from the volcano-covered Eyjafjallajökull glacier. A lot of people are still aware of the Eyjafjallajökull glacier volcanic outburst from 2010, which prevented aviation travel over Europe for several weeks. Skoga River plunges from the historic cliffs into a pool below, creating Skogafoss. The cascade has an astounding 25-meter breadth, 80 feet. Skogafoss' enormous size is the result of the forceful river and basalt bedrock. It is simple to approach the water because the area beneath the falls is flat. Just remember to bring your raincoat. There is a ton of spray produced by the waterfall, so you will undoubtedly get soaked. Many tourists have been seen strolling by the falls while drenched in water but beaming broadly. From July to October, fishermen gather beneath the falls. Char and salmon fishing is popular in the river below Skogafoss. Following the Eyjafjallajökull volcanic eruption, there were fewer fish, but the population is presently growing again. Skogafoss has a wonderful treat in store for you if you love birds. Northern fulmars fly over this area on patrol. Skogafoss frequently observes these seabirds as they swiftly move in front of the violent cascade. Binoculars will undoubtedly be needed. Step out onto the lookout platform for up-close views of the adorable seabirds. 400+ steps and a plethora of bird watching await you. Since the weather is warmest and driest during the summer, this is typically the ideal time to visit Skogafoss. Temperatures can reach 20 degrees Celsius, 68 degrees Fahrenheit, in July or August. But keep in mind that it will be colder close to the ocean because of the volume of spray. We advise bringing clothing that is both warm and waterproof. The waterfall produces single or double rainbows on clear days. Unfortunately, that's also when there are the most people at the waterfall. Visit the cascade early in the morning or late in the evening to beat the throng. Iceland sees the midnight sun during the summer months, meaning you'll have plenty of daytime time to explore. Skogar offers plenty of free parking. However, the peak summer travel season also entails the most expensive hotel and flight rates. Expect fewer tourists and cheaper prices during the shoulder seasons. The weather is still excellent during these off-seasons, especially around May. The weather in the fall is comparable to that in the spring. The wettest month of the year is October, so keep that in mind. Skogafoss is significantly less busy and appears to have been plucked out of a fantasy book in the winter. Long icicles are dangling from here and there among the snow-covered cliffs. The northern lights may dance above the falls if you're lucky. The days are brief and the average winter temperature drops to roughly 3 degrees Celsius, 37 degrees Fahrenheit. Despite this, winters in Iceland are significantly warmer than you might imagine. The Gulf Stream transports warmth from the Caribbean all the way to the west and south shores. Generally speaking, wintertime travel is less expensive than other seasons, excluding the weeks around Christmas and New Year. Please be aware that during the winter months, icy areas may be present near the fall's base. We advise bringing shoes with firm soles or ice spikes. We've chosen the top activities at Skogafoss and the surrounding area, including scaling Skogafoss, hiking on fairy tale-like trails, and relaxing in hot springs. The attractions listed below will undoubtedly deliver remarkable and genuine experiences. While it is not possible to stroll behind Skogafoss, you can ascend the stairs to the summit for breathtaking views of the south coast of Iceland. Since few travelers accept the challenge, the top should be thinner. Although the hike is difficult, you'll see the falls from a whole different angle. Enjoy the calming sound of the waterfall as you awaken. Yes, camping next to Skogafoss is a fantastic alternative. Locate the grassy camping area next to the falls. The campground is equipped with all required amenities, such as electricity, restrooms, and showers, for an additional fee.